Hello guys, I'm here to answer a few of the common questions which I get on the social media platform like Instagram. So the exercise, the question which I just recently got is it safe to exercise after you have recovered from COVID? I would say start slow, avoid the temptation to compete with your pre-COVID self. Remember guys, this is a vicious virus and this affects the major parts of your body. So with that in mind, it is still new in the medical field, and a slow, structured, measured approach, scientific approach is always certainly advised. So returning back to sports and exercise after recovering from COVID-19 can be slow and definitely frustrating for sure. So listen to your body. If you're experiencing symptoms like chest pain, heart palpitations, you should stop exercising immediately and consult with your healthcare provider, guys. Exercise and movement is important for overall health. I agree with that. But for COVID 19, things can change overnight and we learn more about the virus. So keep monitoring yourself every time. And if something feels more than just being out of shape, stop exercising and talk to your healthcare provider immediately. So don't try to power through like you used to before. Athletes of all ages should follow a gradual progression to get back into exercise with the intensity which you used to train before. You will need to build up the time and the intensity of your workouts. So start with a slow walk, and if that feels okay, try a brisk one the next day. So this is my example to you guys. So then increase the amount of time you're walking, gradually build up like 1-2 weeks before you return to HIIT training or CrossFit you were doing before COVID-19. Be patient. That would be the like under the tag, I would say. Having a patience is always advisable. Even if you were training for a marathon prior to becoming infected, you will likely discover that your body has changed a bit. So, which warrants extra caution, right? So, don't push too hard on the body that is still trying to recover. So, why nutrition is most important part of fitness? This is another question which I just got. So, the food we eat plays a vital role on how we look and feel. So, regular exercise is important, but according to research, nutrition has the largest impact on our fitness, guys. So, using food as our medicine has become a popular theme for health improvement. The trend is now to focus on healthy food intake as a primary fitness goal. But when healthy food eating habits become a lifestyle, we are healthier and happier. So, eating right can help us reduce body fat, lose a couple of pounds, feel more confident, and reduce our risk of illness. So, frequent studies are indicating healthy food intake as the most important part of our fitness programs. So, some physicians are teaching healthy eating habits and lifestyle as a way to improve overall health by reducing obesity and related diseases. So, food is our medicine. Nutrient dense foods like what we call superfoods include lean protein, healthy carbs, fats essential to our health. Superfoods are a rich source of vitamins, minerals, antioxidants relative to the amount of calories that they contain. So, antioxidants are shown to reduce the inflammation in our body by helping us fight disease and illnesses. So, inflammation is said to be the leading cause of many diseases right now. So, powerful antioxidants like in leafy greens, vegetable, for example, help protect our cells from potential free radical damage. Some superfoods contain compounds that increase our metabolism for more efficient fat burning, making it faster. So, red peppers contain a molecule called capsaicin, shown to enhance the rate of fat we burn, or the body uses fat as fuel for the movement or for any kind of mechanics or any work to be done. So eating healthy food helps improve health and can also enable us to reach our fitness goals which we have planned, and that's the reason we go to the gym or we work out at home or we go run for a run, whatever it is as per your schedule. So you need to increase your metabolism naturally. This is the another question which I got: how to increase your metabolism naturally. It is definitely possible, and the way is your best fat burner is not going to come in a bottle but by eating foods containing certain compounds. We can increase the rate we burn fat naturally according to the nutrition research which I have gone through, and eating foods that stimulate and enhance the fat burning process, which will help us reduce the fat more effectively from the brain. So adding metabolism boosting foods will be a great supplement to our existing workout and nutrition program. The following foods may increase our metabolism, like hot peppers. It has an active component which I just talked about, like capsaicin. Green tea, the caffeine is the active component. Black coffee, again, caffeine is an active component in that. I drink a lot of cold water, so let's say 500 ml or half liter of water daily increase the metabolic. This is just what research says, by 30%. The metabolic rate is increased by 30%. Whole grains, it helps aiding component fiber and iron. Yogurt, again, calcium and probiotics. Apple, which has a lot of fiber. Nuts and seeds, which has a lot of essential fatty acids. And of course the fatty fish, it has omega-3, which we buy capsules and n number of supplements for our metabolism to be getting up. So what are fitness foods? Well, the term fitness foods is often used interchangeably with superfoods. Eating a diet rich diet which is rich in fitness foods is essential for our health. So incorporating healthy nutrition and knowing that it's a vital to achieving a lean and healthy body. So we need to know what we have to put in our mouth. So the following is a list of foods which I will tell you right now, favored by fitness enthusiasts. The first is oats, which has a lot of fiber. It improves the digestion, increases metabolism. Again, eggs, a very good source of protein, which helps in building a muscle, and it helps to increase our strength. Eggs. Again, so greens, antioxidants, it helps in reducing the inflammation. Apples, antioxidants, again, reduces the inflammation, again, increases the metabolism. And lean fish, which I just spoke about right now, which has a lot of amino acids, good source of protein and helps in protein synthesis by building your muscle. Well, I just got one more question from a girl yesterday on Instagram, which she was famous, and she asked me, what's your thought of coffee? Is coffee healthy or not? Should we drink a coffee, to be very precise? So this is a very popular question, and although not the best drink for some, overall studies show coffee as beneficial to our health and fitness. So the coffee contains a lot of antioxidant, but also caffeine. Caffeine is a natural stimulant shown to increase our metabolic rate. So many athletes are using coffee as a pre-workout drink to benefit from this effect, which is low to moderate doses, like 1 to 2 cups of coffee are shown to have significantly enhanced the athletic performance. So drinking black coffee like 30 minutes prior to exercise is said to have the best ergogenic results. It's shown to improve our endurance and enable us to increase the exercise, the endurance of the exercise longer. So the coffee is also indicated to improve our mental focus and increase the energy levels. Clearer thinking promotes a more productive and effective workout. Caffeine is also shown to reduce exercise-induced muscle pain. Now, the coffee also contains powerful antioxidants shown to reduce the chronic diseases and illnesses. So studies have shown that it helps individuals suffering from Parkinson's disease and to reduce the incidence of gallstones. Because caffeine is a stimulant, consult a physician prior to drinking coffee if you're hypersensitive, pregnant, breastfeeding, or have high blood pressure, hypertension, or are diagnosed with a heart disease. Finally, I would say to conclude this video, superfoods play an important part in achieving and maintaining a healthy body. Nutritionists may vary in their list of which foods are the best, but agree they all are essential, guys. Eating a wide variety of superfoods daily will satisfy nutrient requirements for optimal body functioning. So start with the following superfoods for improved health and fitness: oats, blueberries, green tea, flax seeds, yogurt, broccoli, whichever is available, olive oil, for example, cinnamon. So I'm not going deep into what I'm prescribing right now, but make sure all ingredients are there in your food intake, so that you live a very healthy lifestyle, your fitness is enhanced, and you get the 100% of whatever you're putting in your mouth. So that's about it video. Thank you so much, guys.